All right, back and in action again today. Hopefully today is the day that I get myself back on track, get out of this little rut to start GDT. That's not a good start to getting out of the rut there, 2.0. And we'll see what happens today. Hopefully can find something, hopefully make some decent trades and go on about our day. Let's trade. I'm watching Tesla here. See if it gets down below 13 on the premium for these 620 puts. Putting in pretty good candles here. I'd like to see it get up through the highs, which is right around where it is. Okay, in a first position here at 1225 on the Tesla 620 puts, I'll look to add probably below 1150. I'll put a sell order out at 1325 in case it comes up there quickly on a pullback. $13 on the ask there. Okay, and out there in Tesla, got a nice winner here on this first put option, and I'll keep watching it, see what it does. Watching PDD, see if this gets up through 128. Coming up on 128. All right, I'm going to start PDD here. Got it at 128.63, only 50 shares. We'll look to add to this one, of course. Did not get an add in there at 130. Tried to. Can it flush 128? Might be good here if we can get the 128 flush. There's 128 on the bid. See if it can break it down. Obviously got some support buying here at the whole number. Okay, here we go. And out there in PDD. So disappointed I did not get the add there at 130. That would have made this one a really nice one. So just a small winner here. GME is moving here. If it can push up through the 140s, up through 142, could be interesting here. Small size. Looking for the push through 140 here in GME. Okay, there's 140. Looking for at least through 142 now. Looking for through 142. See if you can get up there. All right, I'm going to start GME here, just 30 shares at 143.19. See if this can come back down below 140. Boom, got it. I will take that one. Feeling good today. All right, guys, so I'm going to call it there. Going 3 for 3 today for plus, we'll call it 250 minus a couple dollars. So finally happy with the day. Felt like there was more opportunities out there coming off the scanner in my regular comfort zone price range today. So The first one this morning was Tesla put. Looking at the 620 puts here, it was on this double candle move, and this one little pullback right here gave me that quick $1 move in the options, which enabled that quick $100 gain there in Tesla. I actually almost got in again here on this dip. Looking at the calls, I was looking a little bit lower on the premium than it got to, so just missed out on getting a nice one on the reverse side of that on the calls there a little bit later on in the morning here at Tesla, and then I haven't really found an opportunity on that one, at least from there. But then we moved on to some more scanner plays. PDD, this one was almost a really good trade as it is. I'm happy with it, but I don't know if I'm going to get it edited in or not. But I was sitting on the ask at 130 for the ad there of 50 shares. So didn't quite get that ad there at 130. The high was 130.26, so I clicked it a little bit late after it already broke through, and then it came like right back down. So, but I was patient there for the break back down and ended up getting a point move out of it. So it was only 50 shares, so only a $50 gain there in PDD. But had I got that ad in, that would have been where I could have tried to let some of those go, even though I only would have had 100 shares. It's a much higher price stock, so that would have given me the opportunity on this one. And then GME was making some big moves today. And this one, obviously looking at the chart, looks like I left a lot of money on the table, but really nice top tick here on this big move, getting in there at 143.19 and then getting out on a flush of 140. The spread got pretty big when it got under 140. I think it got down to like 139 or even lower there on the bid, but the ask didn't come down with it. So ended up taking about 3 points there on that move with only 30 shares because GME is a crazy one. So I wanted to be quick in and out of this one today in GME. So that's going to be it today. So making the loss back from yesterday plus a little bit more. These are the kind of days I want to put together. Felt more confident for whatever reason today. I have no idea why, but maybe because it was more things moving in my regular price zone that I'm comfortable with. But I think I'm going to close it there unless GME makes another silly move here up to like 163 real quick. Give it 1 second here before we close out. If it makes a bust through 160 up towards 163, may be interested here again in GME, but it'll be smaller share size. But unless it does it pretty quickly here, like I said, gonna be calling it a day. So yep, that looks like what I'm gonna be doing. So hopefully you guys had a good day today. Happy to be back in the green here today with Tesla puts, getting the options in, and 2 stock trades here in GME and PDD. Hopefully you guys had a great one. See you tomorrow on Friday.